Hello students, today we will start chapter number 7, verbs, the past tense. Chapter number 6 is completed and today's topic is past tense. So let's begin with the past tense. As I explained earlier, past tense are divided into 4 kinds: simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. Just have a look. As I explained earlier, past tense are categorized in 4 kinds, and in this chapter we will study about simple past, past continuous and past perfect. So let's begin with the first past tense, simple past tense. Come to your book. What is written here? We use the simple past tense to talk about actions that happened in the past. That means simple past tense is used to express a simple act or a habitual action in the past. Okay? And in this tense we use the second form of the verb. That means in this tense we use the be-to form of the verb. Okay students, how can we create sentence? We can make a sentence by using be-to form of the verb, simple past. So, for example, Ravi scored 40 marks, 40 runs. So, if I ask what is verb here, it's scored, S-C-O-R-E-D. Scored is verb here. So here you can see we use the V2 form of the verb. V1 is scored and the V2 form is scored. Okay, so in simple past tense we use the second form of the verb. We use the second form of the verb. Clear students? Now come to your books. What is your question here? Fill in the blanks with the past tense form of the verbs given. So here verbs are given in the brackets and you have to use the past form of this verb to fill these blanks. So let's begin with the first one. First one is done for you. We had a holiday yesterday. So present form is have and the past form of have is had. So we had a holiday yesterday. In this way you have to fill all. Come to the next sentence. Father dash us to the circus, and here we have to use the take. We have to use the past form of take. So what is the correct answer? Father took us to the circus. Okay. Now next, there dash a lot of people in the queue. So what is the past form of the are is was. Okay. Now next, so we dash for a long time. So what is the past form of wait? Waited. Okay, so we waited for a long time before we could enter the tent. We dash our tickets and dash the big tent. So what is the past form of buy? We bought our tickets and entered. Past form of enter is entered. Entered the big tent. In this way you have to fill all the verbs are given in the bracket. Come, came, then play, played, show, showed, see, saw, SAW, walk, walked, write, wrote, enjoy, enjoyed. Okay, now come to the next page. What is given? Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. Options are given here and you have to choose the correct option. Yesterday, mother dash a cake. Options are given here. Was, baked, beat, added, mixed, bought and made. So what is the correct answer here? Yesterday, mother made a cake. I dash eggs and flour from the shop. I bought eggs and flour from the shop. In this way you have to complete all options are given here. Use these options and then you have to fill these blanks. Come to the next one. Again options are given here and by using all these options you have to fill these blanks. So what is the first sentence? Sudha dash her friends last Sunday. So Sudha invited her friends last Sunday. She dashed them biscuits and lime juice. So what is the correct answer? She gave them. In this way, by using all these options, you have to fill all these blanks. Okay? Now come to the next tense. The next tense is past continuous tense. We use the past continuous tense to talk about actions that were going sometime in the past or about actions that were going on when another one took place. So where we use the present continuous tense? We use the present continuous tense to express an action which was in continuation at a point of time in the past. And how can we create a sentence in past continuous tense? We form the past continuous tense by adding was and were to a verb ending in ing. That means we have to use was or were with the ing form of the verb. Okay students, so just have a look. It's a number 2 past continuous tense. Continuous. So what we have to use here? Was, were plus ing. V1 plus ing. Was with singular. As you know, as I explained in the chapter number use of was and were, with singular number he, she, it, and were with plural and you also. Okay, so plus b1 plus ing. For example, just have a look how can we write sentence in this tense. I was busy in making dinner. So was plus ing form of the verb. Okay, so in this way you have to write your sentence. Come to your book. What is given here? Just have a look. Complete the following and underline all the verbs in the past continuous tense. So you have to read this passage and then you have to underline the past continuous tense. Yesterday there was a theft in a rich man's house. The police inspected, questioned all the people in the house. This is what each of them said. I was working in the garden, said the gardener. So what is the past continuous tense? Was working. I was making dinner, said the cook. Was making. I was cleaning when the theft took place. Was cleaning. In this way you have to underline the past continuous tense here. Okay. Now come to the next question. Answer the following using was and were plus ing form of the verb. You have to write all this answer by using ing form of the verb with was and were. So let's begin with the first one. One is done for you. What were you doing at 6 p.m. yesterday? So what is the answer? I was doing my homework at 6 p.m. yesterday. In this way you have to write answers of all questions. So just have a look. What is number 2 here? What was your friend doing at 2 p.m. last Sunday? So what is your answer? What can you will write? My friend was doing his homework at 2 p.m. last Sunday. What were you doing in the school yesterday at 11 a.m.? I am taking my lunch in the school yesterday at 11 a.m. In this way, you have to write all the answers of this question. Now come to the next one. Question number 5. Complete the passage with the past continuous tense form of the verb. Use was, were and ing form. So here you have to use the past continuous tense. Yesterday there was a fire in our neighborhood. I was watching it from our terrace. The fire dress. So what is the verb here? Spread. So what you have to do here? You have to use the past continuous tense. That means the fire was spreading. S-P-R-E-A-D-I-N-G. The fire was spreading. People dash run. So what is the answer here? People were running. Some children cry. Children. So some children were crying. In this way you have to complete all. Okay. So children, what is your classwork and what is your homework? Just have a look. Question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Okay. Question number 1, 2 and 3 is your classwork and question number 4 and 5 is your homework. Okay students, and in next class we will start the past perfect tense. So just have a quick recall of this class. Simple past tense is used to talk about actions that happened in the past, and in this tense, in simple past tense, we use the past form of the verb, V2 form of the verb. And past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to express an action which was in continuation at a point of time in the past, and we form the past continuous tense by adding was and were to the B1. Was were with the B1 and ing form of the verb. Okay, so was, were or V1 plus ing form of the verb. So complete your classwork, and if you have any doubt you can ask.